Hi guys, welcome back to Oh That's Interesting. Today we are talking about laptops. And yes, I know I haven't posted any video for a long time now. That's because I've started my own photography, and I'll share the link below. You can check that out, like the page. Okay, talking about laptops. There's a really big problem with small laptops. Here's my old laptop. This is a laptop from Dell. It's massive. It's like a 17-inch laptop. It has all sorts of ports here and here. It also has a DVD drive, a full HD screen, and this is my MacBook Air. One USB port, one SD card port. That's it. But the advantage of this is it's so light. This is massive and this is heavy. The drawback of this, or rather a really big advantage of the older laptops, which are not like your unibody designs or whatever, is when your battery is screwed, all you have to do is you take the battery out and replace it. That's it. But the same thing now, it gets so much more difficult in the unibody designs, because you have to unscrew a lot of things and you need to figure out if you get these batteries like outside in the market, can you change them by yourself or not. Generally, Apple is a company in which you have to go to the Apple service center and get the batteries changed. And I remember someone telling me that the last time they had gone to replace their laptop's battery, it costed them something around 15,000. I don't know. It's just a vague number that's there in my head. And I am not interested in spending 15,000 rupees on a 4-year-old MacBook Air for the battery. So I googled and used YouTube and figured out you can change the battery of the MacBook Air that I have. This is the mid 2012 model. You can change the battery by yourself. So what I did was, I ordered for the battery and the screwdriver kit that opens the MacBook Air. Okay, this thing is switched off and we are going to turn this around and let's get started. In case you guys want to purchase the battery and the screwdriver kit, I will put the links of both these items in the description below. And which one was the Pentalobe? Out, you can just pry it open. Ta-da! This thing was more dirty the last time I opened it, and I cleaned it. And here is the laptop, and all of a sudden now I feel I should have backed up all my data. Well, that's that. And I need the screws for the battery are not Pentalobe screws. They are not the ones with the 5. They are 5 star. It's with the 6 star. So here goes. I think it's called the T6. Yeah, I got it. 5. Okay, the 3 here are of the same size, and the 2 at the bottom are the smaller ones. And the way to pull out the battery is you have this flap here. You see the flap here? You see? You pull that out. You know what? I will actually take a video from my phone to make it much more clear. this one you pull out. Yeah, and then you pull the battery out. Ta-da! That's the old battery, which is oh, that's dirty as hell. Okay, that's the old battery. Let's keep this aside for a minute. Let's open the new battery. Oh, they gave 2 screws, penta, and yeah, they are the exact screwdrivers that you would need. Some foam and the battery itself. Ta-da! Okay, here goes. The battery has some sort of plastic coating. Should I remove the coating? No, it's not for removing. Okay, here goes. You have the same flap thing here. You place the battery exactly as before, and let's take this video again on the close-up with the phone. Okay, there's something wrong here. I need to. Aha. Okay. The battery goes in, and so the thing is, okay, that's hard as well. Let's go to video. This thing goes in. You see, a very interesting thing. This small thing clicks into this. Push it, and it's in. Yeah, it's in. Okay, let's start putting back the screws. Where is that screwdriver? Hello, where did I keep that? What? Don't tighten it too much, because the frame of the battery is plastic and it would break, like this one did. Here, you see? So guys, that was the battery change, and now the moment of truth. Will the laptop switch on? I am really scared. Okay, let's do the Indian tradition of praying to God, hoping that everything is fine on the laptop. Oh God, please, everything should be fine. I don't want to lose my files because I have done a lot of hard work on all the files. I hope he's listening. I just want to listen to the sound of the startup. It's working, yes. I'm excited now. I just hope my data is not erased. I hope not. It shouldn't be. It was just a battery change. Let's figure out. Okay, it says 79% battery. Anyways, it works. It has already gone to 78%. 2 hours and 36 minutes remaining of the battery, which is much more than 10 minutes. Even if it works for probably 1.5 hours, I'm more than happy because I use these programs that consume a lot of battery, like YouTube. I'm happy that this battery change took me like probably 10 minutes, I don't know. So guys, that was the battery change of the laptop, and now I can use my laptop as a laptop. In case I have some more interesting videos like this, I shall post them. You can also suggest videos that you would want to see that I can make. I mean, it should be in my scope of making. If you tell me that you want to see the moon, I'm not going to the moon. Okay, that's that. If you like this video, thumbs up please. Share this video in case any of your friends or you would want to change the battery of a MacBook Air. Subscribe to the channel. You will definitely get to see more interesting videos, and I hope that I will be putting more videos more often this time, although it has been a pain not being able to get enough time. And yes, this was a very new style of video for me. I always used to stand and make videos, and this time I'm just chilling on the couch. But yes, anyways, like, subscribe, leave comments, subscribe. Yeah, have fun guys. See you.